Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. There are two slight risk areas for today. One covering southwestern South Dakota, far southwestern Wyoming, east central and northeastern Colorado, parts of Nebraska, and parts of Kansas. The second slate today covers southeastern Missouri, parts of Arkansas, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, far northwestern Georgia, most of Tennessee, southwestern Kentucky, and south central Illinois. I think I mentioned southeastern Missouri too. Cities in today's slates include Memphis, Tennessee, Denver, Colorado, Nashville, Tennessee, Aurora, Colorado, and Birmingham, Alabama. And we have a marginal today covering southeastern Montana, southwestern North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, parts of Colorado, parts of Nebraska, southwestern and central Kansas, northern Oklahoma, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northern part of the Panhandle of Texas, southern Missouri, parts of Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, central Mississippi, central Alabama, northern Georgia, parts of South Carolina, southwestern North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, central Kentucky, and parts of Illinois. Cities in today's marginal include Atlanta, Georgia, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Wichita, Kansas, and Lincoln, Nebraska. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses southeastern Wyoming, west central and far southwestern Nebraska, northeastern and east central Colorado, and northwestern Kansas. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Greeley, Colorado, Garden City, Kansas, Evans, Colorado, Black Forest, Colorado, and Scotts Bluff, Nebraska. Alright, going to today's wind threat, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses far southeastern Missouri, east central Arkansas, southwestern Tennessee, northwestern Alabama, and northern Mississippi. The 30% wind risk area today includes Memphis, Tennessee, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, Jackson, Tennessee, Jonesboro, Arkansas, and Decatur, Alabama. There are two areas where we have 15% wind risk areas for today. One covering far southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, west central and southwestern Nebraska, and parts of Kansas. The second 15% wind risk today covers parts of Arkansas, southeastern of Missouri, far south central Illinois, southwestern Kentucky, parts of Tennessee, far northwestern Alabama, far northwestern Georgia. Why do I keep messing this up? Far northwestern Georgia, north central and west central Alabama, and parts of Mississippi. The 15% wind risk areas today include Nashville, Tennessee, Aurora, Colorado, Birmingham, Alabama, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Huntsville, Alabama. And there's a 5% wind risk area today that covers far eastern Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, parts of Colorado, parts of Kansas, the northern part of the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northern Oklahoma, southern Missouri, parts of Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, parts of Georgia, parts of South Carolina, southwestern North Carolina, parts of Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, and parts of Illinois. The 5% wind risk area today includes Denver, Colorado, Atlanta, Georgia, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Colorado Springs, Colorado, and Wichita, Kansas. And now for the hail threat, we have a 15% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that covers southwestern South Dakota, far southeastern Wyoming, parts of Colorado, parts of Nebraska, and parts of Kansas. The 15% hail risk area today includes Denver, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, Lakewood, Colorado, Thornton, Colorado, and Westminster, Colorado. And we have a 5% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that covers southeastern Montana. Really? There's a 5% chance for 1 inch in diameter hail or larger today that covers southeastern Montana, far southwestern North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, parts of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, parts of Colorado, northern part of the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northern Oklahoma, southern Missouri, south central Illinois, southwestern Kentucky, most of Arkansas, far northeastern Louisiana, most of Tennessee, most of Mississippi, most of Alabama, northern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, and southwestern North Carolina. The 5% hail risk area today includes Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Atlanta, Georgia, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Colorado Springs, Colorado. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. The black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger. Alright? I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger. Sorry, I keep messing up. The highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger will be within the black dashed area. It doesn't mean it can't happen outside the black dashed area either, though. It'll be very isolated if it does so. I think the 2-inch hail or larger will be within the black dashed area. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter. Alright? Cities in the black dashed area today include Aurora, Colorado, Thornton, Colorado, Centennial, Colorado, Greeley, Colorado, and Parker, Colorado. So, in summary, thunderstorms with large hail and severe wind gusts are expected Monday afternoon and evening across parts of the Central Plains. Scattered to numerous strong to severe wind gusts will also be possible from the Ozarks southeastward into parts of the southeast. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe and infect areas today. Stay safe and infect areas today, whether you're in the slight or the marginal, because you never know what those can pull off sometimes. And I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.